It's another day, and today I shall rate yet another EV software. Today I'll look at the proprietary system available in Ford's Mustang Mach E and its all-electric pickup truck, the Ford F-150 Lightning. Just a few days ago, I did a side-by-side comparison of the Ford Mustang Mach E and the Tesla Model Y, which some of you liked a lot. If you missed it and would like to check that one, the link is in the description. The Electric Vehicle Software Rating version 1.0 is a purely quantitative assessment at this stage. I try and assess the currently available electric vehicles in the US market on the availability of the given software features. These are very early days for electric vehicles, and I believe going forward, EVs will largely compete on software features mainly. From driver assistance, infotainment, to the full range of consumer experience features that will come about are what will define the industry. These are the software features in my sight, and they are divided into 6 categories: driver assistance, infotainment, safety, security, energy, and the mobile app, or the full stack of the vehicle. It's got a fairly objective scoring with a point given for the availability of a feature in the list and none if absent. The same is then aggregated by the weights of the categories. This being a quantitative system of rating, I'll advise viewers multiple driving tests and to sample their features independently before arriving at any decision. This be it any car. So this is how the Ford software did when seen in the Mustang Mach E. The Ford software offers the active park assist to assist with parking. It also offers its Blue Cruise system that offers adaptive cruise control and lane keeping. I found the Ford navigation really poor. When searching for very basic addresses within a mile, it directed me to destinations that were 25 miles away. In the real world, the system, like many other EVs, relies on Google Auto and Apple CarPlay to deliver reliability in navigation. So when rating, I'm afraid I'll not be giving it any score on navigation. The Ford software does offer driver profiles, but this feature I found works best in conjunction with the Ford Pass app. The Ford software does offer voice support, giving it a category score of 17 on 20. On infotainment, both the Ford Mustang Mach E and the F-150 Lightning offer a high-resolution screen. The Mustang Mach E offers games through its escape room concept. Though I was not able to sample it, I will never the same granted the point here. Like many, these features are best sampled independently and rated. The software does support streaming, and I would like to draw your attention to the link on the Ford's webpage, which details the same. The same is also put in the description. I did not see any Tesla-like shows, and so the category fetches Ford a score of 11.25 on 15. On safety, Ford offers emergency braking, forward blind spot collision warnings through its pre-collision assist and automatic emergency braking in the Ford Co-Pilot 360 technology. Fetching it the point, Ford Co-Pilot 360 Assist 2.0, in addition to adaptive cruise control, also offers lane centering assist, a point more. I did not see any feature for battery thermal safety in the software, so if I discover any in the future, I'll make an update to its score at that point. The same will apply to any and every car I cover in this system. Ford does not offer any built-in dash cam, so for the category it scores 9 on 15. On security, Ford offers a pin pad on the B pillar of the Mustang Mach E, which I find strange in such an open environment. Instead, I expected one on the center screen to drive, but I did not find any. The system does list the advanced security pack, including the Security Lock passive anti-theft system and inclination intrusion sensors. So I will grant it a point for intrusion detection and an alarm, but none for the camera-based vigilance. It scores just 6 on 15 in the category. On energy, I could not find any feature to control charging amps. I then referred to its manual, where I did not find it either. The link for the manual is in the description. The software allows the user to set a charging limit and scheduling a charge. The system also enabled battery preconditioning through the scheduled departure. The Mustang Mach E can charge at 110 kW DC in the standard range model and 150 kW in the extended range one. These rates can differ with the F-150 Lightning. In the rating system, these aspects are restricted purely on the information they provide the user on the charging activity. So important in an EV. So on energy, the system scores a 20 on 25. The Ford Pass app reveals the time and reason for any security alert alarms via the smartphone, as well as the vehicle's last known location. I'd like to state that in the absence of a vehicle to add to the app, I was unable to sample the app myself. It offers no navigation, so I awarded half a point. It does enable locking and unlocking and phone as a key, but none of the other features, and hence gets a category score of 4.2 on 10. Its over the air updates are certainly not as seamless as in a Tesla or a Rivian just yet, and I could not sample them. The Ford software scores an overall score of 67 in the electric vehicle software rating version 1.0. The UI UX in the Ford software feels very ambient in the light and design. If you feel I missed something or would like to see some additional things about the system, or if you have suggestions on the system of rating it, please drop in your comments. I will on my own keep evolving the system and try to cover more cars available today, and even those to come. Until the next one, take very good care.